Broker IPTV.
Today we're talking with Marta Heston, real estate broker for Metro Brokers, and welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Glad you're here.
Thanks.
Tell us a little bit about your business and your background.
Well, I have been in the business for about 4 years. I work for Metro Brokers, Realty, Oasis, and I primarily specialize on the buy side, working with buyers and relocations.
So how's that going?
It's great. I know a lot of people that specialize in listings right now. They'd love to be in my shoes just because I primarily work with buyers, and it seems like buyers these days have, you know, the most power, I guess, and the most say with negotiations.
I think a lot of people don't know. I mean, obviously times are quiet and everyone's looking for a buyer, but relocation really doesn't stop. I was talking with our reload director, and she says, you know, companies are still moving people at a pretty good pace. Are you finding out that?
Oh, yes, yes. And I think with me, we do a lot of internet leads, and that's the majority of where I get my business is through the internet. And most of those, I would say 50% of my business is people relocating from out of state or different cities. So
you're also a member of an affiliated business agreement.
Yes.
How's that going, and who is it with?
It is with Meridian Title, and it's going wonderful. I think a lot of people have the perception that if you work with buyers, you can't be affiliated with a title company because you're not going to get the title. A lot of people think that you have to have a listing in order to get that, and that's simply not the case. On every contract, I ask for the title, and about 60% of the time I get it. So buyers have the option, buyers have the choice, and it's a win-win situation for both the buy side and the sell side. You know, they save costs, and it's beneficial to everybody.
Well, the Colorado real estate contract has been buyer-friendly, and now they're making it a little bit more buyer-friendly because they want buyers to go out and take a look at title insurance themselves and maybe making that purchase themselves and shopping that around. Are you finding that the buyers are informed about that?
They are informed, and a lot of times, even on the sell side, from what my experience is, a lot of people don't really have a relationship with the title company, whether or not it be because the title company doesn't provide great service, but they typically end up using a title company that's, you know, I guess well known, but yet their services aren't that great. If I mention that I want to get title from Meridian Title, a lot of times the broker will say yes on the sell side of things, and then because of the services that are provided, they actually end up using that title company over and over again.
But real quick, does a buyer say to you at any time, why should I buy the title insurance? It's traditionally the seller's responsibility, and how's this going to benefit me?
Yes, and I tell them it is going to benefit you. You have a 10-year reissue rate. In the long term, it's going to benefit you. And if it's going to benefit you and the seller, when they sell the property, they end up saving money, you know, essentially your contract is going to be stronger. And
at Meridian, you've got a choice of underwriters. You can control costs and low overhead, all because of the affiliated business agreement.
Yes, yes.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate having you.
Thanks.
Find more real estate videos at brokeriptv.com.